Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. So let's get started. So first off, you want to head on into google.com, and from here you want to search for apply ICICI Amazon credit card right here, and you would have two choices. So either you can apply directly to the ICICI bank right here, or you could go for Amazon and apply from here. So in this tutorial, we'll be using the Amazon option. So click on Amazon. And now from here, we are now in the application page for the ICICI Bank credit card. So from here, first, before applying, you must ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria. So first is you must be an Indian resident. And then number two, you should be 18 years old or older. And number three, a good credit score can enhance your chances of approval. And make sure that you have a valid Amazon India account. And then once you have all of those requirements, now you can proceed. So once you are here, what you need to do is you will now click on the apply now button, which is this one right here. And as you can see, you would only be able to apply if you have the country code for India, which is this code right here for the mobile number. In my case, I don't have that, so I wouldn't be able to proceed in application. But don't worry, it is a very simple process. After that, all you have to do is just basically provide your personal information. You would need to fill in the necessary details such as your name, mobile number, email address, and PAN or PAN number in application right here, because you will be redirected to the page hosted by ICICI Bank. And then after that, you would need also to complete the KYC verification. So if you are an existing ICICI Bank customer, the bank might already have the KYC details that you have. So otherwise, you'll need to complete the KYC process. And then you can also opt for the appointment for physical verification in KYC. And after that, you would need to submit your application. And after completing the KYC process, the ICICI Bank will review your application and verify the provided details. And all that's left is basically to just wait for your application to be verified and so on. And after that, you will receive a notification via email or SMS. That would be the number that you have provided here. You will be texted. And after that, you would now receive your card, which is your Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. And you will also receive the instructions on how you can activate it. So that is basically how simple it is. It is really very simple as long as you have the right qualifications and the eligibility, and of course your documents that you would need, like the PAN number and the Aadhaar card for verification in the KYC. So yeah, that is basically it. And then from here, you can also view the benefits of having the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. Right here, you can view all of your benefits. So that is basically it on how you can apply for the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. It is a very straightforward process that can be completed online from the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching.